Hi, I'm Shari Berkowitz of the Vertical Workshop. Let's talk about one of my pet peeves in Pilates. Is the exercise called the 100 or the hundreds? I'll tell you. It's the 100. Singular. It is 100 pumps of your arms. You don't want to do 200 pumps of your arms. If it was, we'd call it the hundreds, or we'd call it the 200. It is the 100. 100 pumps of your arms. Here, that's 10 sets of 10. 10 times 10, 100. And so if we counted, it's inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, exhale 2, 3, 4, 10. Inhale 2, 3, 4, 5, exhale 2, 3, 4, 9. Oh, so that's 20 already. So it's 10 sets of 10, which become 100. So I strongly encourage you to call the exercise what it is, the 100. It is not plural, the hundreds. 100 pumps of your arms, call it the 100.